Welcome everyone to today's class. In this class, we'll be discussing about shorthand um, in border. So, so the CSS border shorthand property. So that's what we'll be discussing today. Shorthand. So let me see shorthand. The short and border. The shorthand border property. So that's what we'll be discussing today. So likewise, you can use shorthand for your borders as well. So um, let's start. We already have our class here, which we'll be using to apply our border in the CSS tag. We have our element the p tag, and we have a text in it, which is the tag guy. So let me show you how to make use of it. So border. So for example, let me give a pure example of it, of this border. So I can see let me say 4 pixels space, let me say solid. That is the border we want. And you see, so now let me change the color to red. So that is the color now. You see, now this is our border. Now you see, this is our border. So now let me just make use of the left border only. So what I need to do is just for me to add the text here. Okay, let me show you. Let me show you. Now, for example, if I want to make use of the left border only, so I'll just make it border left. So the size of the border, let me say 10 pixels. 10 pixels. Then I will say, let me make it solid. Solid, and let me say the color should be red. Red. Now you see, let me reduce this to, let me say 7. Okay, let me make it 5. Like you can see, now you see we have our border left only without making use of the border right. So you can also, for example, if I change this to top, now you see I have it at the top only, so I can change this to bottom. I have it at the bottom only, so I can change this to right. RIGHT, right? So I have it at the right only. So now this is how you can make use of the border shorthand, the shorthand in border properties. So you can play around with this